Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is conditional formatting. This is part 2 where we are going to discuss the advanced level options. In part 1, we had discussed the basics of conditional formatting, data bar, heat bar, icon formatting, to-do list, etc. Other things we are going to discuss here. Data here have numbers which have been hidden as we had discussed in a former video. When we hover the mouse over these cells, we can see the respective values in the formula bar. We shall select the whole column and select blue data bar from gradient fill in the data bar section of the conditional formatting. We can see the data as bars. Higher the value, longer will be the bar. When we hover the mouse over the cells, we can see that the length of the bar is in accordance with the value. As it is a dynamic option, the length of the bar will change as the value changes. It is very helpful in creating reports and charts. Next is heat bar. We shall select the column and select green, yellow, red color scale from the color scale section. The highest value will be denoted by green color, and as the value goes down, it gradually changes from green to red through yellow. These colors will change as the value changes. Since it is a scaling type, it is called heat bar. We shall now present the data using icon formatting. We can see a variety of designs like directional, shapes, indicators, etc. while choosing the icon sets from conditional formatting. We can choose a sample here. We can decide what values these icons should denote. To do this, we can select Manage Rules, which is at the last in the drop-down of conditional formatting, which will open a conditional formatting rules manager window. In the window, we shall click the edit rule, which will open edit formatting rule window. In this window, we can set the rules. Here, the type is %, which we can change to number. Then we can set a rule that when the value is greater than equal to, it should be green, and when the value is between 100 and 110, it should be yellow. On clicking on OK, we can see that the icons have come accordingly. As it is dynamic, changes in the values will reflect in the icons. Let us now manage the to-do list using formatting. We shall select the column and select the new rule option from conditional formatting, which will open a window. We shall choose the format only cells that contain option from selected rule type. We can choose our desired option from format only cells with section. For now, we shall choose the specific text option and choose the matching option from the second drop-down. In the third box, we shall give COMP. Now we have set the condition. We shall click on the Format button to tell the system what to do in such a condition. Here, we shall go to the Font tab of the Format Cells window and give Strike Through option. As a result, we can see that wherever it is entered complete, it is struck off, and where it is not complete, it is left as it is. Thus, we can easily manage our to-do list. We can also format using formulas. We shall select the column and select the new rule option. In the window, for select a rule type, we shall choose use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Edit the Rules description, we can put the formula. When the cell value is greater than 50, the color of the cell should change to the selected color in the Font tab of the Format Cells window. Here we can see that cell with value greater than 50 has red color. To conclude, there are a lot of things that we can do using conditional formatting. Practicing in the provided workbooks will help you a lot in making reports and charts. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.